A given number of moles of any gas will occupy the same volume as long as the temperature and pressure are the same. So for example, 1 mole of any gas has a volume of 24 decimeters cubed at 20 degrees Celsius. And 1 atmospheric pressure, i.e. room temperature and pressure. You can use this equation to work out the volume of gas at these conditions. The volume of gas is in dm cubed or decimeters cubed is equal to the mass of gas in grams divided by the mR of the gas times 24. So let's go through a worked example. So how much space will 18 grams of oxygen occupy at 20 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure? Well, in step 1, we need to write down the values that we know. So the mass of the gas is 18 grams. And the mR of the gas, or O2, if we look on the periodic table, is 32. We then need to put these into our equation. So the mass of the gas is 18 divided by the mR, which is 32, times that by 24. And if we put these into a calculator, that gives us 13.5 decimeters cubed. So that tells you that 18 grams of oxygen occupies 13.5 decimeters cubed of volume. You can also use a balanced chemical equation to work out the volume of gas in a reaction. Let's go through a worked example. So here we have 3 hydrogen reacting with nitrogen to form ammonia. How much ammonia is formed when 40 decimeters cubed of nitrogen reacts with hydrogen? So we can see that 1 mole of nitrogen, because there's no number after it, reacts with 2 moles of ammonia, because there's a number 2 before it. This means the ratio is 1 to 2, which means that 40 decimeters cubed of nitrogen will produce 2 times 40, because it's a ratio of 1 to 2, so 80 decimeters cubed of ammonia. So you've now learned about volume of gases. You will find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Why are we the best revision website out there? Well, because we have it all in one place. Revision notes, summary videos, longer, more detailed videos for topics you're struggling on, exam question walkthrough videos where qualified teachers take you through the perfect answers to exam questions, worksheets, quizzes, computer marked exam questions, interactive flashcards, forums, the ability to keep track on where you are using our tick list, and so much more. But that's not all. We run at least 3 live lessons a week, and closer to exam time, this will be more, where you can tune into a qualified teacher teaching lots of different topics each week. The lessons will be interactive, and we go through exam questions and quick quizzes to ensure understanding as you go. We also run drop-in sessions where you can drop in, ask a tutor anything live, get the answer that you need, and leave. These are included in our silver and gold membership. This means that for an extra £10 a month, you can access at least 12 hours of lessons a month. That's under £1 an hour, which is incredibly cheap. Still not convinced? Try us completely free for 7 days and cancel anytime, completely free of charge. We offer this because we're convinced that you'll love us. So try us now.